So obedient people. Okay, how is the run out? You tell how much star rating you will give out of 5. How much star rating you will give? Tell somebody. Tell how much star rating you will give for this run out. Okay, basically, I want to discuss the situation. Whatever happened, I want you to apply the formulas. Okay, so whatever ball he has done, can you see like he threw the ball, right? He threw the ball. That ball is actually what comes under what motion? Tell me.
Projectile.
Projectile only, right? It comes under projectile motion, right? So he puts that projectile and with the proper calculation, then only it got over. I'll show you how much calculation is there behind that. Okay, fine. Yeah. See, just apply the formulas. Whatever formulas we know, we'll apply them. Okay. Fine. Yeah. First, what are the formulas we know? Tell me. Tell the formulas.
2u sin theta by g.
R equal to?
R.
Yeah. Yeah, 1
u
second.
square sin 2 theta by g.
Yeah, R equal to?
U square
Range formula is U square
sin 2 theta by g.
theta by g. Sorry. Yeah. Sin 2 theta by g. Focus properly. And maximum height is U square
Sin square theta by 2g.
2g. The same sum is there in previous questions also. So let's see how it is applied. 2u sin theta by g. These are the three formulas, correct or not? What does it say? If you throw certain ball like this, then this will be the maximum range. This is the range we say. And then this is maximum height. And then with what velocity you are throwing. And this is the angle, correct or not, ma? Time, obviously, time of t is the time of flight it takes from going from position, from throwing position to the destiny. Okay, whatever time it takes, that will be range. Correct or not, ma? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Tell. Any doubt in this? Yeah. Now tell me, what is u? Tell me first, what is u? What is u, ma? First, ma, I need to answer. Come on.
Initial velocity.
The initial velocity with which he is throwing, correct or not? What is h?
Height.
Maximum height is throwing. Theta is
the angle at which
angle
it's
of
thrown.
projection. Okay, angle of projection with what? And t is time. How much time it takes from starting position to landing? Correct or not? Clear or not, ma? Copy the formulas, Aditya.
Yes, sir. Writing it down, sir.
Copied the formulas. Erasing them. Okay, now see what happens here means. Now he throws the ball right from there. He throws it from there. Correct or not? At that position, from this position, he is throwing the ball. Correct or not, ma? This is the position from where he throws the ball. This is the position from where he is throwing the ball. This is the position from where he threw the ball. Now, when he throws it, how does it move? Like it came like this and it hit like this. Correct or not? Say proper projectile. Just until here. What is the data? It is within your limits. What is the data within your limits? What data you can tell in this from here to here? What data you have with you? What is the known data you have with you? Tell ma.
Time alone.
Data. We have time, correct or not? How do I know time? How do you know time? How do you know time, ma? How will you know time? Basically, this is this is real time video. So in real time video, how much time it is playing means, I think it took in my playing video, it's taking 2 seconds. Ma, clear? You can see here. Can you see the timeline? Some 2 seconds to 4 seconds. It is happening. Okay. It's not the slow version of the video. It is actually real time video. So how much time it is taking? Time of flight is how much? Time of flight is how much?
2 seconds.
2 seconds. Okay. Time of flight is 2 seconds. And now, what else data you know? Can you tell me what else data you know? Do you know he is throwing with how much velocity? Do you know the velocity, ma? How much it is throwing it? Do you know the velocity value? Tell, come on. If you don't know, don't know. Can we tell velocity value or not? Velocity value is unknown. With how much velocity he is throwing it, we don't know. Okay. Yeah. What else? What else we don't? What else we don't know?
G value.
What, ma?
G value.
G value is known, right? How much is G value?
9.8 meters.
Yeah, that we take. No, yeah, 10 meters per second square roughly we take, right? That value we know. What else you don't know? Till in the formulas, I gave you formulas, right? Range, maximum height, time, u, theta, g, all these. What are the unknowns? What else we can know? If we know one more data, we can easily calculate with how much velocity he is throwing. What is the one more data you want to know? Tell. What is the data we can easily get?
Angle.
Angle difficult to get because we can't measure it.
The other thing that we need.
Angle is difficult to get. Tell ma. Height is fine. More than height, we can find something else. Height is also difficult to do. Estimation we can't do height because I am telling you real estimate with the inputs we have. What we can estimate?
Range.
Very good, very good. Range we can estimate. This range we can estimate. How can I estimate the range, sir?
It cannot be accurate, no, sir. Because
cannot be accurate, of course. Of course, it cannot be accurate. Even time also, I'm not calculating accurate, right? But that is the minimum thing we can say. Now, height obviously we can't say, right? Range we can guess. How we can guess means range C. You know the distance between the wickets, how much? How much is the distance between the wickets? Anybody? Rough value? You don't know. You didn't play, Amma. Okay, it will be 20 meter roughly. 20 yards, they'll say. How much behind keeper will stay? Keeper will stay how much behind? Till. Keeper will stay how much behind? He almost stays more this pitch length only, ma, because he's Mahesh Patrana is a fast bowler. No, he almost stays. If you see side view, you will easily understand. He will stay 15. And if I give you this length, easily you can tell me the range, correct or not? Using Pythagoras theorem, you can easily tell. That is also we can give easily based on the width of the ground. They are standard values. Those values are not going to change. Whichever ground you go, this values is not going to change. Roughly, I'll take. Okay, roughly I'll take. Width of the pitch will be some 3 meters. It will be roughly 3 meters. Width will be. So it is if you take 1.5 and one more 3 meters. If you take, is roughly at 5 meters. Is it roughly 5 meters from the? How many meters is? Rough values, obviously whatever I am doing is rough calculation only, just for the sum I am doing. Okay. Now tell me what will be his range will be how much? Range will be how much? Till. Root of
35
square plus
5 squares.
5 square. Okay. How much rough value you give me? Calculator.
25 root 2.
How much it is roughly?
25 root 2.
Yeah, I want you to do that 1.4 also first. Are you getting it, Ma? I found this straight distance, and then
45
two distances are easy to estimate. At least for me, it's easy to estimate because I know the ground length, how much it will be, rough value. If you are not know, you'll know slowly. You're playing very much, then you will definitely know. If not, this is the easy thing we can find. Okay, how much? Tell me.
35.3.
Almost 35 only, right? Okay, let's take it as 35, Ma. No problem. Okay, so it's not affecting much. We'll take it as 35. Clear? How did I get this range distance? Roughly 35.3. Take it as 35. No problem. Take it as 35 meters. I understand you will get how can it be the vertical length? No problem. You just take it as 35 meters for calculation purpose. So you know range is 35 meters, and then time is how much more?
2 seconds.
2 seconds. Can you tell me what velocity and what angle? What to do? These are the questions will be in NCERT also. The questions will be like this only. JEE also questions will be like this only. Tell what to do. How to find? How to find? How to find that ball? See the projectile. It's coming. It came exactly and it's sitting there. Okay. Tell me. What to do, Ma? We have to do formula application. That's it, right? See, I'm not considering other resistances, spinning of the ball or so many are there. We don't have to that much accurate, not required. Yeah, rough estimation. Obviously, it's an appropriate value, whatever we are calculating. So very much appropriate value. Yeah. What formula shall we apply? Tell first. What formulas we should apply? I gave you 3 formulas, right? In the 3 formulas, what formulas we should apply? What formulas we should apply?
R is equal to U square sine 2 theta.
Yeah,
By G.
R equal to U square sine 2 theta by G. I'll
If we
apply.
don't know U, so
Yeah, that's what. 2 variables are there means you should. That is how calculations are made, dude. That is how
then we just substitute in for time as well.
Yeah, we'll substitute. We don't know this one, so what will we do? But we'll substitute 35 here. Next, we'll do 2 variables, 2 equations we need, right? Next, another equation is what? Another equation is what?
2U sine theta by G.
Time will be 2 equal to
2U sine
2
theta by
equal to 2u sine theta by G. Yeah. What to do, Mano? Very simple. We can easily solve it. Tell me what to do. We got 2 values. What to do? Solving. How to do get the solving? How to solve it? Sine theta is how much, ma? There are infinite ways of solving. I'm telling you one thing. Okay. Sine theta is how much? From this one, sine theta is how much?
10 by U. 10 by U.
10 by U. How to get cos theta value?
The right angle triangle.
Yeah, we can use the triangle thing. We can use triangle thing and get it. We did trigonometry, no ma. How to get? But we need sine 2 theta, right? If we need sine 2 theta, what is the formula of sine 2 theta? 2 sine theta.
Cos theta.
Cos theta, correct or not? If I divide, what is the issue? Generally, I can divide, but if I divide, what is the issue, ma? U will be left and theta also will be left. Okay, solving will be, it will take little bit time. Still, I think we can do it. Yeah, fine. Tell me. So how much is this? 2. Sin theta is 10 by u. Cos u will be? Cos u you can substitute. Cos u, how much it will be? Sin is opposite by hypotenuse. This one will be root of u square minus 10. So how much it is? Root of u square minus 10 by 12. Clear? This one, if you substitute in the other equation, yeah.
Isn't it u square minus 10 square?
Root number, root will come, right?
Yeah, but how can you split it like that?
Which one, though?
U
Sin
square
2.
minus 10 squared, the Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, sir. It's u square minus 100, right?
Oh, u square minus 100. Okay, okay. Yeah. By u, correct or not? Yeah. No. 35 equal to u square into sin 2 theta is how much, ma? Sin 2 theta is how much? 2 into 10 root of, all these calculations are already given. This much calculation is already given once upon a time in exam. Tell me, u square will come by g will come, correct or not? U square will get cancelled. What to do, ma, after this?
G and G will get
One g also gets cancelled. After that, what to do? After that, what to do? After that, what to do? Tell me, after that, what to do? $35 by 2 equal to root of u square minus 100. No. What will you do?
square on both sides, you'll get
Square on both
1225
sides.
by 4
1225 by 4
is equal to u square minus 100.
u square minus 100. Rough value, tell me. U square value. So you can get u value, right? From here. After getting u value, how to get theta value, ma? After getting u value, how to get theta value?
Substitute back in any one of
Substitute
them.
in time of flight formula. Time of flight formula is there, right? 2 equal to 2u sin theta by g. Can you tell me what is the velocity, ma? He's dropping it. Tell me the velocity. How much is it? Rough value, ma. Rough value. Calculate rough value. Use calculator. No problem. Obviously, these are not they're not values given for proper calculations, right? So you will face such situations. Don't worry. 2 equations, 2 variables. You should be able to solve, ma. Should be able to solve with using trigonometry and all. How much, ma? 122, 1225 by 4 plus 100. How much roughly? Can use calculator. I'm telling, ma.
406.25.
Yeah, 406 means how much, ma? Square root, roughly.
20.21.
Yeah, nearly 20 meters per second is the speed he threw it with. Understood or not? Any doubt? Speed is important. No, if he has thrown with less speed, it won't come. It won't come in that much. 2 seconds later, it won't come there, ma. He has thrown with 20 meter per second. That is the speed he has thrown with to reach the opposite side of the stems. And if you want to find the angle, sin theta equal to how much angle? Angle is also very important, correct or not? If you don't throw at certain angle, what will happen, ma? If you don't throw at certain angle, what will happen? You might not be able to reach the range, correct or not? You might not get that much range. So it has to be properly thrown. So time equal to how much more time equal to
2u sin theta by g.
2u sin theta by g.
That's equal to 30.
And then we have all the values. We have all the values now. We have T2, U value is 20, G value is 10, sine theta. How much more sine theta?
The theta value is 30 degrees.
30 degrees. At 30 degrees, it's been projected more. Understood or not? These values are almost correct, ma. Maybe some point like 29 degrees something or 20.1 something you will see, but almost values are correct. He has thrown with 20 meter per second with an angle 30 degrees. Understood or not? Any doubt? Any doubt you can ask me. Still. First of all, anybody will think to throw from that much distance to hit the wickets, that too with gloves on. It's very difficult thing to do, right? That too accurately from top of the thing, because he studied properly in his childhood. That's why he is able to do it. Done? Done or not, ma? Copied or not? Shall I erase? I have one more question to ask. Shall I erase, ma? Copied, Arpita.
Yes, sir.
What did I do, ma? Repeat first. What did I do? This much calculation I did, right? I don't know. What did I do? Tell me. I knew two values. What are the two values I knew?
Time and
Time and?
gravitational force.
No. That is already known. What else I know?
Which?
Yeah, range I know. Okay, so I applied range formula and
Time,
applied
like,
formula. I got two equations. First, I got sine theta as 10 by u or g by u. From sine theta, I calculated cos theta and I substituted in the range formula. I got u value. Okay, after getting u value, what did I do? I calculated theta value also. Okay, what is my next question? You know how will be the JEE questions? JEE questions are very, very simple. Here itself, you can see one JEE question. Listen properly. The JEE question is, this runner is there, no? This runner. What motion he is in? This fellow is running, right? This fellow is running, right? He is in what motion? His name is Samad, Abdul Samad. Follow IPL, ma. Come on, ma. Don't be too good, ma. Tell. He is in what type of motion, ma? He is in accelerating motion, or he is in constant velocity, or he is in variable acceleration? Three types of motion I taught you, right? He is in what motion? Tell. He is in what motion? He is in constant velocity, or he is in accelerating, or he is in variable acceleration? Tell me. Roughly. I'm not asking you to tell accurately. What motion that fellow is running with? Tell.
Roughly, it should be constant.
Constant velocity, correct or not? He's traveling with the constant velocity. You know how the JEE question is framed? JEE question is like, what is the velocity of the batsman? How much velocity batsman should have so that he will reach in time? What is the minimum velocity? What is the minimum velocity? What is the minimum? Which is such a simple question. You just have to understand the question. What is the minimum velocity of the batsman such that he reached the ground? He reached the opposite side within time before hitting the stumps, but he didn't make it up. So he should have minimum velocity. How much? How to do it? How much minimum velocity he should have? I can't use projectile velocity formulas now, correct or not? What formulas I should use? Minimum velocity of batsman to reach in time. Yeah.
so can we use S is equal to V multiplied by T?
Yeah, simple things. Right? Constant velocity we'll use what, ma? We won't use V equal to U plus CT. All those things we won't use. Constant velocity we'll use only one formula. What is that formula? What is that formula? V equal to S by T. So how much distance he is covering? We know two things. What are the two things we know? We know how much distance he has to cover, correct or not? How much distance he has to cover, I already told you.
20 meters.
20 meter, correct or not? He has to cover 20 meter. 20 meter distance he has to cover. In how much time he should cover?
Less than 2 seconds.
Less than 2 seconds he should do. Correct or not, ma? He should do it in 2 seconds. If he doesn't do it in 10 seconds, then what happens? If he doesn't do it in 10 seconds, what happens? What will happen? This will only will happen. He will get run out. Clear or not, ma? So minimum velocity, how much he should have to reach within time? Minimum velocity, how much he should have, ma?
10 meter per
10
second.
meter per second. But his velocity is not 10 meter per second. That's why his velocity was less than 10 meter per second. That's why he couldn't reach within the see, you can see the stems glowing. Can you see or not? It's already bails are off. So he couldn't reach. So its velocity is less than 10 meter per second. Clear or not, Mo? Any doubt? Any doubt you can ask. So in JEE questions, what do? They'll give combinations of motion. What do I mean by combinations of motion? They'll mix horizontal motion and projectile motion, or they'll mix vertical motion and projectile motion, or they'll give you two projectiles. Okay, then you should be able to combine both of them and answer. Got it? Yeah. He knows all the physics. That's why he applied it. He studied 11th and 12th properly. I want you to study 11th and properly. Then only he has applied all those things within the range he has applied. You know what is the reason for that smile? He knows that he applied his school time physics. That's why he is smiling. You should also smile.